This is your full body fat burn and building strength workout. Hey everybody, my name is Rebecca-Louise and I am so excited to be your trainer today. If you could do me a quick favor and just hit that subscribe button, it really helps us keep on creating content. All right, I am ready to feel the burn. Are you ready? All right, let's get started. We're gonna take it into a reverse plank. So all you're gonna do is bring those hands directly underneath your shoulders. You're gonna lift up right here. Modified version is that you can just bring your legs down to the ground, or you can even bend your legs right here. I'm gonna give you modifications throughout this, so anytime you're like, oh, I can't do this exercise, I have got you. Remember, the key to getting results is showing up. And you have to show up all the way through to the end of this workout to get results. There's no shortcut, there's no cheat code, it is just doing the work. And we're gonna do that together and we're gonna make it fun. All right, pressing up nice and high, inhale through your nose and gently exhale everything out. We're gonna take it into a high plank and then we're gonna take it from side to side, okay? So high plank and then switching over to a side plank either side. So it looks just like this. You go up one side, come down the other side, and then you just go up the other side. Here we go. We have got 30 seconds on the clock. Pull that core in nice and tight, building the strength all through your upper body, all through your core. We're gonna work those legs as well, so you're gonna get a full body tone and strength workout to burn fat as well. That is gonna help you feel amazing for the rest of the day. Lift up and give me one more on the other side. Pull the core in nice and tight, squeeze your glutes, and then gently release down to the ground. All right, we're gonna take it into a fun little side plank push-up, okay? So all you're gonna do is your feet are gonna be on top of each other, slight bend knee if you wanna take it into a modified version, and then you're just gonna lift up. So we are really working this muscle right here, your triceps. That's it, those bingo wings. Some of the times the hardest muscle to work, we don't even have any equipment throughout this whole workout today. So you don't need any excuses not to be able to do it. And we're gonna start super strong, but guess what? We are gonna finish stronger. It's all how you finish. Here we go, now slow and controlled, press up and hold, get that full range of motion, remember. Don't just come halfway, get that full range, hold, and gently release. Nice work. That's what we really want to focus on, okay? That's why I give you little cues throughout the workout to make sure that you're getting the best out of every exercise. Okay, so here we go. Comes across the body and you're working this tricep. So get that full range of motion. Come halfway down and then press all the way up. That's it. You're doing amazing. Keep on breathing. Now press full range. Hold it for a split second at the top, and then slowly coming all the way down. And that's it. Up we go. Press down, firm into the mat, and then extending all the way down. Here we go. So good, everybody. Lift up, hold, and then gently coming all the way down. All right, we're gonna stay on this side. We're gonna take it into leg raises. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna come onto the side right here. Hips are on top of each other. This is gonna work your glutes. This is gonna work your inner thighs. I wanna make sure that I've got a nice straight line going straight out from my mat here, and I'm just gonna take these legs lifting up and down. That's it. Really utilizing your inner thigh. A lot of times you start to like point your toe, flex your foot, and all the tension goes into your feet, which we're really not trying to tone, okay? We're really trying to burn that fat and strengthen our full body with extensions by lifting up and using the inner of our thigh. Here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, coming over to your other side, and that's it. Same thing again. We're gonna have that hand going straight out in front. You're gonna have your hips on top of each other. Take a nice big smile because you're here and you are gonna finish this workout today. And we're gonna take those leg extensions up and down, keeping both hips on top of each other. Again, relax the foot. Relax that upper part of your foot. No tension right there. Here we go. You can start to feel it even more in your inner thighs as you relax that top foot. 10 seconds left to go right here. Relax your shoulders. Inhale through your nose. Exhale everything out for 3 and 2 and 1 and release. All right, we're gonna come onto our back, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna take like a little crunch with our core and with our legs. So you're gonna come up, you're gonna crunch, and then you're going to release. So you lift up and crunch, and then relax back. Here we go. And let's go. So squeeze and release. Now, as you release, allow those knees to come a little bit further away from you. The more that they come away from you, the more that you're gonna feel that. Now, really tuck your core underneath. We don't want any gap between your back and the mat. See this time, tucking your core under, bringing your legs further away from you, and that's it. Here we go for 3, 2, 1, and gently release. All right, nice work. We're doing amazing. Let's keep on crushing it. We're gonna take it into a little high plank. Last exercise here today. We've got a high plank, and we're just gonna bend those knees. So bring those hands on top of your mat, and all we're gonna do is take it nice and wide. You're gonna bend your knees, and then you're gonna straighten them, okay? Modified version, you can come all the way down and then press all the way up. But if you wanna make it a little bit more challenging, you come down halfway and then squeeze. Here we go, come on, feel that strength burning all the way through your upper body, all the way through your abs, every single rep. This is the final part. Do not quit now for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Boom, there you have it. Quick, easy, efficient, but guess what? You want better results? I'm gonna give you a little challenge. There is more on the plate today. You can add in just a few more exercises. I know you've got it. If you're up for the challenge, put yes in the comments and then let me know which one of these workouts you decided to do. Or if you're like an A player and you did both, let me know that you did both too.